Hi, everybody. This is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. I am bathed in beautiful British sunshine this morning. I have with me Amir Ness, and he and I are going to be talking about Bitcoin and the altcoins. What is going on? What is going on, and what's going to happen to the altcoins, and what's going to happen to Bitcoin? We're going to talk about that. We're also going to look at the charts for Electroneum, PirateChain, Bitcoin, and I'm going to talk to you about a way that I'm looking at of making money, whether the market is going up or whether the market's going down. I'm going to tell you what I'm doing and let you know about that. We're also going to give you an update on Elevate Group. Now, before I introduce Amir, I want to let you know this is not investment advice. Do your own due diligence and don't invest any more than you can afford to lose. This is a sponsored video, and all I'm doing in this video and all my other videos is sharing with you what I'm discovering as I travel along on the blockchain. And traveling along on the blockchain, I ended up in a Bitcoin mining farm in Siberia. And there was Amir in November 2018. And I want to let you know he wasn't dressed warm enough. I was dressed warm enough. The man was shivering like crazy. And I told him off because I thought that's what his mum would want me to do. All right. Good morning, Amir.
Morning, Rich. How are you?
I'm really, really well. I'm really, really well. So look, if you're watching, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell or click that button, like, and please donate some warm clothes, some woolly hats and jumpers for when Amir next goes to Siberia. Okay,
in October, I think, hopefully.
In October. Okay. Well, we should talk about that because I may come with you. All right. Let's have a look. Let us start with. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, I'm having some difficulties with the sharing option on Zoom. It seems to have changed the settings somehow. So Amir and I may disappear, but we are still here. This is the Elevate Group website. We'll come to that in a second. This is bittubers.com, and this is my channel on bittubers.com. And I'm going to be uploading on YouTube and also on bittubers.com. And why am I uploading on bittubers.com? Because YouTube are marching ahead with their demonetization and deplatforming of alternative voices and alternative perspectives. So if you are a regular subscriber to this channel, please do subscribe to my BitTubers channel. You can earn crypto for watching. You don't earn anything on YouTube for watching. You can earn crypto for watching. If you use my referral link, you get extra crypto in the form of Tube coins, which are based on Monero. Anything you want to know about this, Amir? Any questions you got about BitTubers?
I'm just curious to know, like, how many subscribers do some of the big channels there have, like, compared to YouTube?
I don't know. They're bringing people over. Alex Jones is on bittubers.com. They have, bless you, they have 10,000 registered users as of yesterday. And I don't know if that includes channels or whether it, as well as viewers. So I don't know that. It's very, very small. They're still in public beta. I prefer it to DTube or Steemit or BitChute. And I've interviewed the CEO a couple of times, and I'm going to keep doing regular videos on this. Of all the decentralized hybrid blockchain platforms, this is the one that I like the best. So you can support my work by following me on BitTubers. And when I put out a tweet like this interview that I did with Kajitel, I tweeted my BitTubers link, and you can watch me on BitTubers. And please do comment. Please do comment, because I am being shadow banned. So that is BitTubers. And I've got an interview coming up this week with one of the developers, one of the team at BitTubers. Anything else you want to know about this before we move on?
No.
Okay, that's BitTubers. And then Elevate Group. What is happening with Elevate Group, mister?
We're just getting closer to get delivery of the last few batches. So everything has been shipped. It's out of China, out of Hong Kong, on its way to Moscow, and then from Moscow to Irkutsk. So we've got a few more weeks. We're on target to get the mining wallet set up, which means we will be able to mine directly into the customer's wallet, and their wallet will be their dashboard. So that's exciting, and that's really cool. It's a big improvement, and I think we're gonna, like, with Bitcoin where it is now, it's just hovering around 10,000. Things have kind of calmed down, but I think I think if we start to get an up move, then we're also going to start getting a lot more orders, and it's going to start getting very busy again.
Yes. And we'll look at the Bitcoin price in a bit. Right now, what happens is you buy your miner, you do the KYC, register on the website, you order the particular miner that you want. That miner gets sent to Irkutsk, where the mining facility is. The engineers all check it all out. They maintain it, they monitor it, and minus the electricity costs and elevates fee, which is 20%, you get Bitcoin landing into your wallet on at least currently a monthly basis, and that's going to change. And you can also follow the track of your own.
It's going to change to weekly.
It's going to change to weekly. Okay, all right, very good. And these are my miners, and you can see the serial numbers that I've got, and it tells me what's happening right now, how much I'm making per month projected. And it's paid out in Bitcoin, and you'll get that same page once you've registered and logged in, and all the proceeds from the mining rig is yours until it dies, and that could be for another 3-4 years. So that's that. Then this is the mining profits, and these are published every month. And would it be more often when the payouts are every week?
That's a good question. I have to ask Gabby how he's going to want to do that. I would think that we would do it every week.
Okay. All right. So, and then I'll link to this in the
description. we might do it every week on our own spreadsheet and then post it once a month.
Right.
I don't know. One or the other.
Okay, but in the meantime, this is the most up-to-date sheet, which I shall link to in the description below. It's bit.ly elevate mining profits, bit.ly/elevate mining profits, if you want to have a look. You can see here the profit in this line here, depending upon whichever mining machine you have. And I noticed for myself in the first month in December, I earned 003516 worth of Bitcoin, and in the last month in July, I earned 44956 worth of Bitcoin. Now, of course, in July, Bitcoin was worth a whole lot more, like 3 times more. So in dollar terms, I made more than 3 times more, and that's the advantage of Bitcoin mining. How much were these machines costing in November, December? This S9,
anywhere from $350 to $500.
$350 to $500, right? So I have pretty much I think I've made my money back on the one machine. So now it's pure profit. Now, of course, check that out. I've not done the sums properly, and even if I had, you should check it out anyway. Okay, on to Bitcoin price chart. This is the weekly chart, and we have had 3 down weeks in a row. 3 down weeks in a row. This is this week. It's popped up a little bit, but the week ain't over till Sunday midnight, I think UK time. And these red lines that I had here was what I thought it was last week, like a symmetrical triangle. And like 54% of the time, it moves in the direction of the trend, which would have been upwards, except it broke down. And now it looks like we have a descending triangle. And that will be a bit clearer on the daily chart with I've drawn a support line here, which is around about $8,000. Anything you can see on the weekly chart?
Yeah, the thing is that it's still holding support there, right? At that 95 level, basically.
Yeah.
So I think that we're still, nothing's changed. It's just still in consolidation mode.
Okay, but in the consolidation mode, it can have fairly wild swings.
Yes.
Because this is Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bitcoin, very, very, very wide swings. Okay, well, let's have a look at the daily chart, which is here. And then you can see it's bouncing along in this range. Oh, no, actually, it's broken through that. It's broken through that $10,000 support. And we have 9775 roughly where it's at right now. And this looks a little bit like a bear flag. So it looks like it's going up, but it's actually bearish, suggesting it could go down. And we have a descending triangle here, which is also bearish, where it touches the bottom here, here, and here.
Yeah.
And so it could bounce down, declining volume. So we could have a break downwards. And there's a bigger descending triangle here as well.
Right.
So, and then I've drawn support around about 9,000. No, yeah, but it could go down to about 8,000 as well. So, but then this is, I mean, I know it's easy to make money when the market's going up, but I'm going to share with you something I'm trying out about making money when the market is going down. All right, now what is happening with Bitcoin? This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, all courtesy of coin traders. So since July last year, July 2018, when the dominance, this is the amount of money in all the cryptocurrencies and how much of it is in Bitcoin relative to all the other altcoins. So more and more money has been bleeding from the altcoins into Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin dominance has been going up and going up and going up and going up. And we're now at 69.7% of all the money in crypto is in altcoins, sorry, in Bitcoin. And here it was at one point like 88%. Up here it was at 90%, 91%. That was in 2016, but the market was very, very young then. Very, very young. Anything you can see here? Do you want to comment on?
I just saw an article by Max Kaiser, who is a permabull, Bitcoin maximalist, I guess you can call it. And he was basically saying Bitcoin dominance is going to 80%. And I kind of can see what he's talking about. I do think that the alt market is going to, at some point, turn around and we're going to see, you know, many, many 10Xs. But we probably have a little bit of ways to go before that happens.
Right, right. Well, let's have a look. 80%. No, it would be there. And there you can see is the resistance. You know, there's a little bit because it bounced off here. Now, it might be 78%, might be 82%. We're not going to quibble with Max Kaiser on a couple of percentage points.
Yeah.
But okay, but at this rate, assuming it keeps going at the same rate, then what are we talking about? If I just draw a line here. So that could be December 2019 if it carries on in the same trade.
Yeah, it's not going to carry on like that, though. I don't think, at least. But yeah, I could see it getting to 80%, and then we'll have to see from there.
Right. Okay. And what do you think is likely to happen? It's going to go down more, or it's going to shoot up at some point, and why?
I think it's just going to consolidate here for a little bit because you're at that resistance level, you know. Yeah, right there. So it'll probably hang out here for a little bit, and also price hasn't moved too much. We've hung out around the 10,000 level. I do think like 10,000 is a very important figure, you know, and it'll probably go above 10,000, but it might take some time.
Right, and 10,000 being an important figure for psychological reasons.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay. So Bitcoin dominance is going up. So what's happening to two of our favorite altcoins? This is PirateChain, Electroneum to come. Oh my God, look, a descending triangle suggesting a break downward. So people are going to go from PirateChain to Bitcoin, just like they're doing generally with lots of altcoins. Now, it might be, this is not investment advice, smart to dollar cost average into good quality altcoins. You know, one where they have good fundamentals.
Yeah, I think it's just like it's I think for PirateChain to have gone to nearly 30 cents and then lost it all back is not good.
It's not good. It's upsetting.
It is upsetting.
I did buy into PirateChain last week, and to get some more Bitcoin, I may buy a little bit more as well, as I'm buying in because I like privacy. And then there's Electroneum. Now, I did a video on Electroneum over the weekend about the numbers, not looking at the price, not that number, because that number, let me show you. This is the daily chart on Electroneum, all time, anything you want to say here?
I don't know. I mean, it's just so sad. Like, just sad. Just there's nothing to say. Like, we have to just wait.
Yeah. It's below the EMA ribbon, and it is sad because Amir and I both hold Electroneum. But I want to point out the price is not the project. The price is not the project. Just like the price of a miner at Elevate Group is not the mining farm.
Yeah.
Okay, people, all the altcoins are suffering. They're all bleeding. So the price is not the project. And I know there's a lot of work going on behind the scenes, some of which I know, some of which I don't know, and some of which is going to get public soon. And this is a long-term game. So it's not looking good for Electroneum. More downside. Another descending triangles everywhere. So how do you make money with descending triangles everywhere? Because, you know, I don't trade, I hodl. I buy it and I hold for a very, very long time. So I want to show you this. This is a trading bot that a friend of mine I know has been doing for a few months, and he's had some good results off it. And he's told me about it, and I've been curious in watching him for a couple of months and see what he's done. And I'm just testing it out. These are the positions that I have. It doesn't do, I don't do anything. I've just set it up. I only set it up in the last 24 hours. So it's early days. Early days. I put in 0.149 Bitcoin, and right now my balance is 0.1385, but it's only been going for less than 24 hours. So we'll see how that goes. I shall keep you posted. Keep you posted. Anything you want to ask about this or no?
No, I know about this bot. So, and I know that he's had some good results with it. So, it should work out all right.
Yeah, it's curious. And by the way, the bot has nothing to do with Deribit. That's an exchange that we're using that offers leverage trading. Okay, Amir, anything else you want to say before we finish up? Any last words?
No, I think watching price is going to be very important. You know, like we're right under 10,000. Doesn't seem to want to go much below 9,500, and doesn't want to seem to go much above 10,000. So let's see. Okay,
and this might be where a bot works out really well, because it can pick and choose. It can sell at the top of that range, buy at the bottom of that range, and it doesn't need to win every single trade. Just 51% of the trades need to win, and that'll do. Tiny amounts. Okay. Yeah. All right, well, Amir, listen, thank you so much. Look forward to speaking to you again next week. All the relevant links in the description below. If you want to check out Elevate Group, go ahead. Do that. Please subscribe to my channel on BitTubers. Subscribe to me on YouTube. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with Bitcoin profits. This is Crypto Rich and Crypto Amir signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.